Tina and Max have decided to make their houses more exciting. And what better way is there to do that than building towers on them? But Tina and Max have different ways of doing things. Max likes building things that are useful. Tina doesn't care, so long as they're fun. My tower's a lookout tower. I can see things from it. Like what? Oh, things. Pa-pa-pa-pa, pa-pa-pa-pa. Oh, great. Thanks, Tina. Oh.
Na, 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 na.
I could lift that up for you with my crane. No, thank you. I can manage. Okay. Tina! What? You took my flag. No, I didn't. What's that then? I didn't put it there. Neither did I. Max! What? You took my bricks. No, I didn't. Tina! Max and Tina are confused. Their bricks keep disappearing. What's that? I don't know. Meet you downstairs. There's mine. Oh, good. But where are mine? I didn't take them. Well, neither did I. There's someone else here. Let's use my lookout tower. Come on. Nothing this way, and nothing this way. Max! This way! There's some of our bricks. Someone's been dropping them all the way to the jungle. It's Jake, the boy from the Jumbly Jungle. Yeah, I bet it's him. He loves playing tricks and he's a great climber. Yeah, you're right. Let's go after him. Oh no, he's taken one of my wheels. Jump on mine. I don't want to ride on yours. Max decides to turn his buggy into a three-wheeler. And while she's waiting for him, Tina decides she's going to make hers more fun. Bet I get there first. Bet you don't. Yow! You all right? Yeah, fine. Sorry, George. How are we going to get it down? I know. Let's build a winch. Oof! Oof! Max hates giving up. He'll find a way. Ah, maybe George the giraffe can help? Can you give me a lift up? Can you stretch a little? Okay, Tina. Ah! Oof. I don't think we can get much further. That's it. It's too thick. How are we going to find Jake in all this? He usually finds us. Hi, guys. Max and Tina have gone into the jumbly jungle to find Jake. They think he's been playing tricks on them and stealing their bricks. How's it going? Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake. Oof. Thanks a bunch, Miko. Jake, are you all right? Yeah. What's he say? Oh, just saying sorry. It's okay, Miko. Jake, have you been taking our bricks? No. Well, someone has. We thought it was you, playing tricks on us. Not me. But someone's been dropping bricks every place. Hi, Ellie. No. Yeah? What? Ellie says someone's stolen Rory's crown. Oh dear, that's Rory the lion. He's king of the jungle. If someone's stolen his crown, he won't be at all happy. The jungle's too thick to drive the buggies through, so they decide to build a howdah to go on top of Ellie. That's a special seat for riding on elephants. How does a howdah go? Yeah, it goes on a jungle track. You ride on top, it's a real long drop because it sits on an elephant's back. Thanks, Jake. No problem. How do you build a howdah then? Put an elephant underneath. Then it's easy to fix with a pile of bricks all tied with a handkerchief. How diddy-do-da-dee-do-day. Diddy-do-diddy-da-day. Yeah. Oh dear. Poor Max and Tina. It's moving around so much. They're feeling sick. Ooh. How does a howdah go? Yeah. It goes on a jungle track. You ride on top, it's a real long drop, 'cause it sits on an elephant's back. Okay, you guys? Yeah. Ooh. At last, and much to Max and Tina's relief, they arrive at the royal palace, where the king of the jungle lives. Thanks for the help, guys. Oh, hi. Is he very fierce? Rory? No, not often. Well, he is the king of the jungle. But where is he? There's no sign of the lion anywhere. Rory? Your Majesty? Sir? Oh, sir? Oh, he says go away. He says he doesn't want to see anyone. He says he can't be king anymore. Why not? He says he can't be a king if he hasn't got a crown. He doesn't feel important. Oh, Rory, you poor thing. Come on out and sit on your throne. It's yours. You can sit on it. You're king of the jungle. You don't need a silly old crown. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. It's the NaNa bird. The what? The NaNa bird. It flies around going, na 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 na. I bet she's the one who's been taking things. Max! Hey, have you been taking our things? Did you take my wheel? Did you steal Rory's crown? Max, be careful. Yow! Hey, leave him alone. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let him go. Bring him back. We've got to get him back. How? The NaNa bird lives right on top of the Mammoth Mountains. Even I can't climb them. We'll never get up there. Oh, yes, we will. Okay. Where's Miko gone? I don't know. Let's go. Max has been kidnapped by the NaNa bird, and Tina and Jake are flying to the mountains to rescue him. But what they don't know is they've got an unexpected passenger. Yeah! Wow! Never mind. Miko says he was scared. He was scared? They're looking for the NaNa bird's nest. That's where they'll find Max. But which mountain is it on? Can you see it? No. There! There it is! Hey, hey, I'm here. Hey! And there's Max. Hi. What took you so long? Hey! Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Olé! Hey, you! NaNa bird, be careful. It's okay. She's very gentle, really. Gentle? You big, clumsy bird. You could have hurt someone. And why are you going around stealing things? You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Na, 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 na. What did she say? She says she's sorry. Well, a big bird like you. I found Rory's crown. And my wheel. Jake has a serious talk with the NaNa bird. She's really sorry for what she's done and the trouble she's caused. She says she's been stealing bricks to mend her nest. But she's not very good at building. And she says no one ever comes to visit her on top of a drafty old mountain. Oh, well, let's help her then. NaNa? Well, if you must build a nest that's balanced on top of a mountain, it does cause a few construction problems. I mean, you'll need some supports, won't you? A nest is the best, and the best is a nest. We all want a nest that's better than the rest, but the nest that is best is a place to rest that's warm and cozy like a thick woolly vest. Yeah! Whoopsie! Shoo! Get away! I haven't finished. NaNa. Na 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 na. Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Now, I think you should do something in return. I think you should take the crown back to Rory yourself. Don't you? He's not very fierce, really. Well, not very. And you'll make lots of friends. NaNa. Hang on, guys. I think we've got a problem. I mean, just how are we going to get down the mountain? I know! Rory the lion was over the moon with delight when the NaNa bird gave him his crown back. And he just couldn't resist the idea of having a second coronation. Pa-pa-pa-pa! And with the crown safely back on his head, the king regained his confidence. After all, it's a tough job being king of the jungle. You've got to be top dog. Whoa! I mean, top cat. And the NaNa birds made lots of new friends. And if she ever needs any bricks to mend her nest again, I'm sure she'll ask first.
Max and Tina are losing their bricks. Someone is taking them and playing some tricks. They got to find them, those bricks can't be far. They go build a plane with parts from the car. Imagine a big hill whenever you play. Imagine a big hill every day. Every day. A car would be fun and fast on the ground, but a plane can fly high, you see all around. They fly through the air and they search on the ground. In no time at all, those bricks will be